I am every woman, it's all in me. Anything you want done, baby, I do it naturally. Whoa, 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 whoa. I am every woman, it's all in me. Anything you want done, baby. Whoa, 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 whoa. Bum ba-dum, bum ba-dum, bum ba-dum, 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 bum ba-dum, bum ba-dum, bum ba-dum, 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 ba-dum. Wozani, 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 wozani. Bum ba-dum, bum ba-dum, bum ba-dum, 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 bum ba-dum, bum ba-dum.
Hello, my beautiful people. You are about to experience my very first episode, one of many to come, of my isiZulu story reading for children's books from Shooter and Shooter Publishers. So please do invite your children to come join you, your young ones, to come join you during such episodes where I read the isiZulu books. So the children may be encouraged to understand isiZulu a little more, to speak isiZulu and appreciate isiZulu and did I mention understand? Yeah, so they can speak isiZulu, understand isiZulu, be able to write isiZulu, because that's the whole purpose for me reading these isiZulu stories. In my debut video on this channel, where I was introducing myself, where you got to know me a little better, I mentioned that there would be English subtitles over the story reading, but I've since had a change of mind. There will be no English subtitles. I know some of you won't be very happy with that decision, but I think it's a very wise decision. I just felt that it defeats the purpose of this exercise. That's of instilling isiZulu if there are English subtitles. You know how it's like. Especially the young ones, they end up just reading the subtitles and not really, listening to the story. And that will also improve their concentration skills, their listening skills, and their comprehension skills if there are no subtitles. So, okay, I've got notes so that I don't forget to mention everything. Oh, see, I nearly forgot this point. However, at the end of each story reading, I will paste the English version of the entire story. So the entire story, the entire isiZulu story, will be in an English version at the end of the 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 whole story reading. I will paste it there so that you can check if you understood the story. But please do ask your children to retell the story to you, to summarize the story to you, so you can gauge if they understood it. Otherwise, then why would we even be doing this? So don't be tempted to just go straight to reading the story to them in English, okay? And please do pose some questions to them to see if they understood what the story was all about. And please do purchase these books from Shooter and Shooter publishers. They have their website, www.shooters.co.za, which will also be pasted at the end of each story reading, and also in the comment section of the entire video. The website, the phone number, but the books are available in most reputable bookstores. with all that being said, please sit back, relax, and enjoy. Ngiyadambukela kuleli khaya elifudumele lezi ndaba zesiZulu ezihlabahlosile ezizokwenza ulokhu ubuya njalo njalo ukuzozilalela. Hlala phansi-ke, unethezeke, ubize nabanye, nithole intokozo nokwazi isiZulu kangcono. Igama lami nginguLungile. Ungangibiza ngoMam Lungi, Auntie Lungi noma Sis Lungi. Lezi zindaba zicashunwe ngokusemthethweni ezincwadini zakwa-Shuter and Shuter Publishers, abashicileli abaphambili, iminyaka engaphezu kwe100. Isihloko sendatshana yethu yanamhlanje sithi intenetsha nofudu. Ake ngichaze kafushane nje ukuthi yini intenetsha. Intenetsha uhlobo oluthize lukanogwaja kodwa lo wasendle. Livamise ukuba bomvana ngombala futhi lona lithe ukuba mkhulu emzimbeni walo, nezinyawo zalo zinde. Afani nalonogwaja esiwujwayele wasemakhaya ovamise ukuba mhlophe futhi ube nombala othandekayo nje. Wona komehluko loyo phakathi kwentenetsha, unogwaja wasendle, uma ngabe uqhathanisa nonogwaja ojwayelekile esikwaziyo ukufuya emakhaya. Ake sizwe-ke ukuthi kwenzakalani phakathi kwentenetsha nofudu. Mnumzane, aphelile baba. Inkosikazi yofudu yaphendula ngokuthi, kakho umninimuzi, ngizihlalele nabantwana bami lapha ekhaya. Intenetsha yayihanjelwe isihlobo sayo esikhulu. Yajiyela ukuthi sizodlani ngoba sifike amabhodwe esomile, ukudla sekuphelile. Yase ikhumbula umakhelwane wayo ufudu. Cha, kulungile noma umninimuzi engekho, kuphendula intenetsha. Ngivakashelwe ngumngani wami laphaya ekhaya. Pho-ke mame, ngihlezi ngendlala. Bengizokwenana amaqanda. Ngizwile ngabantwana ukuthi wena ubekelele amaqanda amaningi izolo. Inkosikazi yofudu yasimze yashaqeka nje. Yakhohlwa ukuthi izophendula ngaliphi izwi. Yamangala ukuthi kanti ihlupheka kangaka nje, kukhona abacabanga ngezisu zabo ukuthi zizosuthiswa ngawo amaqanda. Ingani inkosikazi yofudu seyilungisela ukuwafukamela ukuze kutholakale amanye amachwane. Uhlobo lweni nina ntenetsha lufana nezimpumputhe. Zona ziphuphuthekayo zingazi ukuthi ziqhamukisaphi zilibhekisaphi. Yaphendula intenetsha yathi, khumbula ukuthi thina singomakhelwane. Ngifuna amabili kuphela nje. Kuthiwa phonsa isinkwa sakho ngasenhla uzosifumana ngezansi. Kunjalo mami. Lwasimze lwadla imihlathi nje ufudu. Lwathula lwathi du. Intenetsha yafikela ngumcabango ongandile. Ithe ithatha yayisithi, lapha ngiza nganeno, ngibone umyeni wakho evinjezelwe izitha. Inkosikazi yathi ukuba ikuzwe lokho, yalahla phansi konke, yathatha ngejubane iyobona umyeni wayo. Luthe ukuba lusithele ufudu, intenetsha yawathatha onke amaqanda, yafika ekhaya yenza elikhulu idili lamaqanda. Ekubuyeni kwalo ufudu lwenkosikazi lwabona ukuthi amaqanda kawasekho. Kwasuka esikhulu isililo. Ufudu lwesilisa lwafika ekhaya kuthe mokolo umsindo wokukhala. Inkosikazi yakhala yathi, ngiyazisa ngamaqanda ami, iphi yona intenetsha? Thula phela, musa ukukhala, ngitshele mame kwenzenjani? Kwasho ufudu. Inkosikazi yathula, yase imxoxela umyeni wayo konke okwenzekile. Dukuduku sekuzwakala izigi. Yakhuleka intenetsha. Ufudu lwathi mayingene. Yangena intenetsha yansonto. Pho, mngane, bewukhala ngani? Kwabuza ufudu. Cha baba, ngike ngafika izolo ngizocela amaqanda, kepha ngafika ungekho. Ngase ngibuyela emuva ngoba ungekho ekhaya. Nomkakho ungishiye khona lapha ekhaya, wathi uyokufuna ngoba kazi lapho ukhona. Ake ungiphelezele mngane, siye kogeza emfuleni. Sothi singabuya bese uthola amaqanda ukuze unike umhlobo wakho adle asuthe. Kwasho ufudu. Yavuma intenetsha. Namuhla intenetsha ilengela esiweni, kodwa kayiboni. Selizogcwaliseka izwi lokuthi akukho qili lasikhotha emhlane. Ufudu selwaluke ende intambo yokubambelela uma lugeza. Intambo le iboshelwe emzimbeni walo. Ufudu lwehla kuqala. Intenetsha yabamba intambo. Lwageza lwaze lwaqeda. Intenetsha yadonsa intambo. Wakhuphuka ufudu. Kwase kwehla yona intenetsha. Yenzeka indaba. Ufudu lwayidedela intambo. Lwathi, wenziwa yini ukuba untshontshe onke amaqanda omkami? Udlule unembeza wakho ungakuhluphi? Intenetsha yazikhalela kumakhelwane wayo. Ufudu lwasimze lwazithulela nje. Yagwiliza intenetsha yaze yaminza. Lwathi ufudu, mhlawumbe umuntu uzoke aphumule ukufundekelwa intenetsha eyisela. hamba selandini. Iphela kanjalo-ke indatshana yethu yanamhlanje engithemba ukuthi uyithokozele. Isifundo esisitholayo kule ndaba ukuthi akufuneki ukuba nomhobholo nokuthi uzicabangele wena wedwa. Uma ngabe uzama ukugila omunye umuntu, wena ogcina ugileke ngaphezu kwalomuntu obuthi uzama ukumgila. Ngakho masibe nokucabangelana, sibe nothando, sibe nesihe ukuze umhlaba wethu ube muhle.